How to deploy a router in Cisco DNA Center using a template. Before deploying a router in Cisco DNA Center using a template, you should have a template committed and available for deployment. In order to begin, make sure your router is available in the inventory in a managed state and is already assigned to the site. Step 1. Associate your template with an existing network profile. This lets you use your template to deploy devices and sites that are associated with the network profile. Go to Design Network Profiles on the Cisco DNA Center homepage. Select your network profile and click Edit. On the Router WAN configuration page, enter the tag associated with your template in the Device Tag field. Cisco DNA Center uses this tag to access the templates associated with it. Click Next. On the Router LAN configuration page, click Next. On the Custom Configuration page, click the Day-End Templates tab. You'll see a list of all templates associated with the tag you entered. As a reminder, you can associate multiple tags when you create a template. Choose the template and click Next. You'll see a summary of the router configuration associated with the network profile. Click Save. Step 2. Assign a site to the network profile. On the Network Profiles page, click Assign Site. You can assign more than one site to a network profile. Step 3. Deploy the router. To deploy the router, go to Provision on the Cisco DNA Center homepage. Select the router you want to deploy and choose Provision. Note that you can select multiple routers as long as the routers and site associations are mapped to the same network profile. On the Confirm Profile page, you'll see that the device tag for the site is the same as that of the network profile you configured. Click Next. You must now enable the WAN interface to proceed further. On the Router WAN configuration page, click OK to retain your existing configuration. You can also choose to change the configuration to static or DHCP, and then click Next. On the Custom Configuration page, go to the Day-End Templates tab and choose your template. Enter values for the variables you defined in your template. Click Save and then click Next. Confirm all the details on the summary page. To make changes, click back to edit entries in the previous screens. When you're done, click Deploy to provision the router. Now let's verify whether your deployment was successful. On the Device Inventory page, notice that the Provision Status column shows your deployment as successful. Click See Details to review the deployment details. If the deployment fails, you can review the errors here as well. You have now successfully deployed a router using a template with Cisco DNA Center.